I want to welcome you guys to the wonderful world of ChatGPT hacks. And this is Cassie J. Welcome to the video. Right now, I'm someone who loves a good ChatGPT. I have conversations with ChatGPT throughout my whole day. I love to use ChatGPT as much as the next crazy AI person would. As you can see, I use ChatGPT for a lot of thumbnails, a lot of things that I want to create. I have a Chris Brown fetish going on here, business proposals, everything under the sun. I use ChatGPT for. I have projects, I have every conversation that is here. And I'm on PC using ChatGPT, and I have ChatGPT also on mobile. But there's a lot of people that don't know how to use or what to do with ChatGPT, and today I'm going to provide some hacks. The main thing that let me see. One of them was, one thing somebody has, well, there's many things. There's many things that people have asked me on ChatGPT, and it's, how did I get my picture to move as a GIF? ChatGPT made me this from a regular picture I gave them, and it has my change, my coffee mug, my podcast mic, my headphones, everything you could think of. Then I made ChatGPT turn it into a GIF where you can see that it moves, a little emoji right here going on. It plays, but it doesn't like replay over and over. But as you can see, before we zoomed in, it did. So how do we get your picture to look like that and to move? If you have a free version of ChatGPT, that's fine. And if you pay for it, then you want to utilize Sora, which is right here on your left under that. First step, you want to click Sora, open it up. You see everything here that I haven't explored as of yet. Again, guys, I'm a ChatGPT junkie, not a Sora junkie as of yet. But anyway, you'll see describe your image right here. What you want to do is hit the plus sign, choose from library, or upload from device. I'll choose from library. I already have 2 images here, and that's how I was able to get my pictures. So imagine me uploading 2 images. You upload, or you can click and drag from your folder and just upload it directly just like that. So I just want to make sure you're able to see that. What you want to do is start a new upload. I'm going to pick a picture. I'm going to give it this picture. And now you see it uploading once the picture was given. And I'm going to upload a second picture. I guess you want to do 2 pictures so you get the best look of yourself. All right, so I have this picture I'm going to use. Now I'm going to upload my second picture. If you're like me, like, where is it? You want to go from folder to uploads and you think it refreshed for you, whatever. It's here. And we're going to click. So you see how we highlight both? So click both, and you can use selected media. If you just want to use one, you use one. Normally for AIs, you want them to get the best version of yourself. Click put multiple or upload multiple. Or if you want to just upload the one, that's fine. Use selected media, right? So I'm going to exile here. Now I have both medias down here. You can see. Perfect. Create a 3D. Create a 3D version of myself in an ultimate gaming room. So you want to hit remix. All right. At the top right is going to add it to the queue. If you want to click it and see what's going on, 3D gamer setup. And this is where it's going to generate a 3D version of myself in an ultimate gaming room. Once this finishes generating, then you will have your picture. All right, so it says here on the top that the 3D gamer setup is ready to view. Let's click it. Now we have our 3D gamers. So I'm in the gamer setup area. You see me right here. It says Just Winging It because that's the name of my podcast, so it will get familiar with you. That's the shirt I had on in this second picture here, as you can see, with the glasses, and it's Meta AI glasses I have on, so you can see it's trying to get the little circles in here. You won't have things written out as best, but you can always go back and tell it what to change it to, because it doesn't tell you mow off. But if you can see, it has the mic perfectly. Do you choose this one? Do you want this? In the back you see the game, the play button. Play is on the right here. So in my headphones, actually they're wireless, but you can see it has, like, if you're like one of those persons that wants to dig deep into the intricate details, it does have the wire here, but it goes into my shirt, because it's like, all right, it's wireless, it's not, but my headphones are definitely wireless. The hat looks great. I probably would take this as a joke. I don't really like I'm not really feeling like the kiss thing, like, yo, but it's taking it from this. So basically it's capturing this picture and putting it to what you see here, but you could take two different selections. Now, if I want to create a video from this image, you could choose this one or the second one. Let's go with the first one, okay? Create a video. Excited expression. All right, so now, as you can see, it's added to the queue, new video, and then you wait for your final effect moment. Now, while you're doing that, but you want to create something else, you're not going to disturb the AI. The AI is doing what it's supposed to. But now I want to hold a controller. So I'm going to go with variation 1, holding a controller, holding a gaming controller with excitement. And I'm going to remix that. So holding a gaming controller with excitement. We're going to remix that, and we're going to add that to the queue as well. Now we're going to see our video that we created. Yo, which one do we like? Hold on. Let me see the second one. We don't want this because this attachment is kind of weird. But this is how you can create yourself in an excited expression moment. So we have a controller. Look at the nails. You see the nails, Xbox controller. Now my friend pointed, and they fixed the hat. You see they fixed the hat? Just Winging It. All right. My friend pointed out that sometimes AIs like to reverse it so you see what's being shown. I think I like the second one. Have the gaming controller face me instead. Okay, so I put have the gaming controller face me instead. Maybe I should put the opposite way. However, we're actually spot on for what the Xbox controller looks like. But maybe I need to say here okay. All right, so the best one is going to be the second one. I'm a gamer, so I already know that this one over here is going to be what it is, because a back of a Xbox controller does not have this. You're not going to have this on the back of an Xbox controller. You're not going to have these two things on Xbox controller. And I'm going to go with this. So again, the moral of this story is tell the AI exactly what you want, and you will kind of get what you need, or you will actually get what you need. I wanted the controller to face the other way, meaning I wanted to see the back of the controller, which I did receive here on this picture. So we kind of have a win. My hat says the correct thing, just winging it. It has the controller, the back of the controller. I'm an excited gamer. It has my face. Everything that I need in this picture is perfect where it is, and the glasses. The only thing it's missing from the glasses is the little, because I'm wearing Meta glasses. It's missing the camera icon here, and it has like the little wire. Again, this is for people that go deep into the intricate details. This wire, I have wireless black headphones, but everything here is like pretty spot on. And this is the back of a controller, and we're holding it. So how did we get it there? How come we couldn't get it like that before? Because we were hitting remix, and we weren't editing the remix. You have to edit the remix and tell it what you want. And that's just your ChatGPT, how to use it. Again, I've only used the $20 version of ChatGPT, where you get Sora from the top left, and it gives me everything that I need. I love it. I'm gonna favorite. I'm gonna download it and save it, and I hope you enjoy ChatGPT as much as I did.